everyone, it's Rachel from Wild Backyard Soaps. Thanks for joining me today for this very short, spontaneous, soapy adventure. So last night, I did not get the kids to bed on time, but I already had in my head that I was going to make rose peony soap. And I was determined to do it, no matter how late it got. And so I did it, but I finished in the dark. So I'm going to show you this quick blurb so you can see my short soapy adventure and how it went. Alright, so as you can see, there was a lot of juggling around in that video. I tried to do some beetroot powder for part of it and rosehip powder for part of it, and then the other part just all natural, and I mixed in some peony petals from my peony bush that bloomed this past spring. So I had those dehydrated. However, the colors just were not showing through. I'm going to try infusing it next time and see if that makes a difference. So I ended up mixing everything all back together into one big glob and just did one giant dump pour with the petals, the beetroot powder, the rosehip powder, and of course floral fragrances tend to speed up soap anyways. So as soon as I added a blend of rose essential oil and fragrance oil, since rose oil is very expensive, and then some peony essential oil, so as soon as I added that in, it was like and wanted to just freeze up on me. So it was just a mix and dump soap, but look at that. Hasn't even been 24 hours yet, and look at that beauty. It still smells really nice. So if you're in the mood for an easy floral soap, get some floral essential oils or fragrance oils, and then add your own colors or petals into it if you want, and literally just blend it up and dump it. And then if you want to do a fun little swoopy design on top with some petals, go for it. I'm not sure why it decided to crack this time, because I wasn't even soaping at that warm of a temperature really, and I didn't even put it on a heat source. So, bummer. But hey, it's still pretty, and I'm just gonna call this a rustic rose peony. So let's slice this baby open. As I said, it hasn't even been 24 hours yet, so it's still only partially gelled. Not too bad though, but still very soft, obviously. However, very lovely. I'm happy with this. So don't forget to subscribe and join me for some more soapy adventures and fun ideas of what you could do at home with soaping, even if you have to do it late at night like me sometimes. I'll see you next time.